Hey everyone, in this video today I'm looking at the Ridgmar Mall in Southwest Fort Worth, Texas. The mall opened in 1976 on Green Oaks Road and Interstate 30 in Fort Worth, and it is very close to the Lockheed Martin headquarters. And even though it has close proximity to it, a lot of the shops in this mall happen to be closed, other than a couple of anchor stores, just like JCPenney, Rave, and Dillard's. Being in West Fort Worth, this mall is in an interesting position because it should be attracting a lot of what's in downtown Fort Worth, also North Fort Worth, and even Benbrook and South Fort Worth. Of course, just south of here is the Hulen Mall, and the Hulen Mall is much more busy than this mall. And if you go north to Saginaw, you also have another shopping center which is more open air and potentially taking traffic from what is here. Over here, we still have a couple of name brand retail stores just like Champs to the left and Bath and Body Works. Other than this, there is a lot of empty space, and I mean a lot of empty space. As you go to the second floor, this becomes more prevalent. Ridgmar is one of those malls that is planning to go under a redevelopment phase, and there appear to be plans of that. If you look across a couple of websites, I saw one in like an architecture magazine, where this redevelopment and expansion of the mall will include a mixture of retail, restaurants, residential living in an open-air type environment. So I'm thinking that this may be similar to the shops at Clear Fork, which is just down the street from here. But with major shopping centers in Saginaw and Hulen, and even the shops at Clear Fork Shopping Center, it's tough to determine whether or not this mall may still be here or even continue. I'm not going to speculate, I'll leave that up to you guys, but definitely interesting place to visit. I know that the Redbird Mall is undergoing a similar type of renovation as well, and I'm anxious to see what comes out of that. That one is in the Duncanville area. Other than that, this was an interesting mall to visit. I have never visited a mall where over half of the stores are closed until I visited this mall. I was here primarily to see the Sea Life Aquarium, which was an excellent attraction actually. Other than that, I did find the RC track to be interesting as well. And beyond that, I just rode around an electrical type scooter for a bit. Saw a couple people walking around, and that was pretty much it for me. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video.